on bed in that mood?
What would you have me? Please tell me. I said I woke up to 12 missed calls. 12!
But you should have offed your phone. I do turn off my phone anytime I'm with my woman.
Well, be grateful to God that I sneaked out. Else we wouldn't have finished Miss Anyechebe's inventory program. And now, you're 400,000 richer. Listen, bro. Business should always come first. Always.
Oh yes. Mark, I understand you. Business is very important and should come first. But there is time for everything. You are not being fair to your girl. If you should ask me, you need to create out real time, tangible time for her. Or you risk losing her to another man.
God forbid. I love her too much to ever let that happen. I'm not going to lose her to anybody. Look, I'll call her later. Just call her later. And then I'll go home to see her. But you know we still have lots of computers to fix.
So tell me, who was that girl I saw crying at the gates earlier today? The one that said Greg broke her heart?
Madam, see the truth is that if there is broke, yes. The girl was the one that broke into my Oga's room. She made away with my Oga's foreign currencies, dollar and pounds. See, what? My Oga is a very peaceful man.
She's a thief?
Yes! In your own voice, she's a thief. My Oga is a very peaceful man. That is why my Oga don't want to involve the police. So he decided to drive the girl away. But the girl was there making noise, crying. Don't mind that girl. Useless girls.
How did a beautiful lady like that reduce to a thief?
Madam, I don't know. International thief for that matter, because it's foreign currency. Dollar. International thief.
Okay, that aside.
Okay.
I want to ask you a question.
Is it food?
A confidential question.
Confidential? It's not food. Okay, no problem.
Do you think your Oga loves me?
Hey! Hi, madam. This one is not confidential, huh? It's open.
It's a question of yes or no. Do you think he loves me?
See, this question is a question of yes. See, my Oga loves you so much. I'm telling you the truth.
How can you tell?
See, I overheard him talking to somebody on the phone. It was Mama Nuku, his mother.
His mom?
Yes. My Oga was like, Mom, I've seen a girl I want to marry.
Wait.
Yes.
You're not trying to pull my leg.
No,
right?
I'm not pulling your leg. I'm serious. He was just describing you. A very beautiful girl. Yeah, I love her so much and she loves me. See, madam, just the only thing I want you to do for me is tell my Oga to include me among the men of suits so that I will dance that day.
You know what? Henceforth, I'll be serving you special delicacy. You like it, right?
Yeah.
Sit down, don't worry.
But now you don't have a problem. Our wife can even go. I can even go. My husband.
Sit down. Let me pamper you. Okay.
Bring food, swallow. Hey, let me.
Steph, it's okay. Stop crying, please. Please stop. I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you when you warned me about him. I should have listened. Steph is okay. It's okay. Listen, this is no time to blame yourself. I would have equally done the same if I were to be in your shoes. Greg was just too real to be fake. And I'm sure no one will blame you for wanting yourself to be loved. My dear, it's okay. no idea how I am burning inside of me. You have no idea. I understand. Greg! Oh, Greg! Oh, Greg! You'll never be well with you! Never! Steph, you just have to calm down, okay? Calm down. Listen, I understand all of this, okay? Just calm down. Greg. Steph, you just have to calm down, okay? Listen, I understand, okay? And as for Greg, that which he seeks, he will find. He will. My heart is broken. I understand. Please. My heart is broken. Stop. My heart is broken.
So, gentle.
It's soul. Put it gentle soul.
Okay. Gentle soul.
That's my name.
I remember the other time that you said something like Greg was interested in marrying me.
Yes. Yes, ma.
Okay. I want you to do something for me.
What is that?
Since you're very close to Greg,
Very, very well.
I want you to help me do something.
What?
I want you to find out when and how. Can you do that for me?
Madam, that one is not a problem at all. It's a small task. If
Trust
not
you.
for any other thing, all the food you've been giving me in this house.
Foodie.
It's enough to even tell you the color of the day.
So you promise to do that for me?
Yes, ma. But this time around, you know, I don't want you to do transfer again. All this network, sometimes it will
Cash
be hanging.
man. I know, you always prefer cash.
Yes.
Just give me a minute. I'll be
Okay,
right
ma.
back.
Okay, ma. No problem.
Okay, so this is just a token for you. Don't worry,
I
just
should buy
more where
gas or
that
just
came
for me?
from. For you. We just go buy drinks, celebrate.
What is what for drink?
Don't worry, there's more where that came from. I just need you to do a smooth job for me.
Ma, I will do the jobs very well. See, it's like the month is either June or July. There is J in the month.
I beg.
I will confirm.
Because you've seen money, you...
Madam, you are the one.
you can go,
From
you can
today,
go.
you are my madam. I will tell my uncle that you are the only person that will give him twins.
Keep telling him. Oh.
Yes.
Keep telling him.
Don't worry, leave the job for
Don't
me.
eat my money for
No, hey, I don't eat it for nothing.
If not, you see the way in me. I'm not joking, Lisa. If you see this guy is every woman's man. Yes, I'm not joking. If you see the guy, if you see his car, if you see his house, babe, I'm not a joke. This guy cool now. Don't worry, calm down now. I should be the call. No worry, small, calm down, don't rush. Why the pressure? Sis, yeah, my man is coming. That's him.
Hi, baby.
You know what? I'll call you back, okay? My baby just got here.
So who are you talking to?
Hey, sugar. I was talking to my sister about you.
About me? What a coincidence. I was talking to my mother upstairs about you.
Your mom?
Yeah.
About me?
Of course. I needed to let her know that I now have a queen in my life. I'm ready to settle down, walk down the aisle with you and make you look at me in the face and say, I do.
Oh, baby.
I do.
You're so sweet. You're so sweet.
And so as my mother and I were talking, there was this strange number that kept calling. I'm like, okay, let me just find out who was calling. I picked it and lo and behold, the manager of the company I have been submitting quotations to. They asked me to come to Abuja first thing tomorrow.
Wow, for real?
For real, so you brought me good news. How about I call you my good news? My good news.
That's so sweet. Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah, first thing tomorrow.
Wait, that means I'll have to go?
No, don't put it like that. I cannot ask you to go.
Okay, I thought I was supposed to spend like a week or something.
It's not bad yet. All right. How about we spend that 1 week in Dubai when I am back?
Baby, Dubai.
1 week.
1 week. 1 week in Dubai.
1 week in
Oh
Dubai.
my God.
Just you and I. You and I. You and I.
You're so sweet.
Of course, you are sweeter, baby. Just sit here, talk to your sister. When you're done, you join me upstairs for some SD. So you say talk to your sis.
All right, baby.
Remember what I'll call you. My good news.
Your good news.
My good news.
Dubai. 1 week. Lisa has to hear this. Hello. Hello, Lisa. Guess what? Guess what?
Wind go soon blow, and he will feel it. That is how life works. But life ain't an option. Take what life gives. And just focus. One day you'll get fruits from your honest, sincere works. But life ain't an option. Be careful. Watch it so that you surely reap.
I say good afternoon, sir. Sir, you want to wash your car? Sir, are you okay?
Yes, of course I'm okay. Yes, I want to.
Wash your car. I will run for you.
Wait a minute. You work here?
Yes, I work here. I'm one of the people that will wash car here.
Like,
Yes, it's my job. But are you in a haste to go? Are you in a hurry? Because our pressure water is having issues, so I'll just use the normal water. I will pack, sir.
Carry me, they go. Philip, carry me, they go. If you house, see logo.
Philip, do you understand that this is not a laughing matter? I am serious.
You are serious. Greg, come off that joke. You are serious. Not even that you're in love with somebody that is at least of class. A car washer. Come on, Greg, come on.
A car washer. Do you really need to sing to me like a song? Yes.
That's why I fell in love. You have no idea. Oh, look, Philip. You're just talking cowshe. You needed to have seen my face the very first time I said, I see that girl. I was looking like a moron. I fell in love.
My brother, not once, not twice, not thrice. In fact, what am I even counting as if I could give a count of it? You've said these things about love severally, about so many girls. See, Greg, I don't want to discourage you. Yes, I'll go back to your previous conversation because we've had this conversation over and over. Even if you're in love, man, which I really want to see that you're truly in love, but not a car washer. You can't stoop that low, bro. Fact. You'll kill me. I don't tell you the truth. You try to look me as if you won't push me from your house. Not fact, I tell you. You can't.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in I am. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh.
This one that you're smiling, like I don't understand. What's making you happy?
I found the woman of my dreams.
For real?
Who's for real? She is so beautiful.
Of course, I know you will always catch them beautiful, but end up dropping them like a piece of paper.
Oh, big sis. I'm a changed man now. I love the girl. I'll fight for it.
This girl you are talking about, where did you meet her?
I met her in a car wash.
Like she came to wash her car or something? Why are you smiling? I can see love is written all over your face.
You like him, Abi?
Perfect.
I'm done. So my money is 1,500 naira.
I know. You can have it.
So I don't understand. The last time you came here, you gave me 20,000 naira and I innocently collected. I can't take more than 1,500 naira from you, sir. I'm sorry.
From me to you.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. This is my money. Thank you, sir.
I care about you.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this.
Babe, I know I promised you I'd come around, but
what? You don't even need to explain anything, okay? I Everything is fine. I only came here to stay with my man, watch him work, and of course keep him company.
Sorry, I'm really sorry for it.
Baby, you don't need to be apologetic about anything at all. I am not angry with you. Okay, baby?
Are you saying you're not mad at me?
Hell no, I'm not. Why should I be mad at you? Babe, listen. I have come to understand that my man is a very busy person. So all I need to do is to support you and make you understand that I really care. That is it.
It's wonderful.
And yes, I know, I've been naughty. I've been complaining so much that you don't give me attention in this relationship. But I had to talk to myself. I sat myself down and then talked to myself. Your man is a very busy person. He worked so hard for you to be fine. So why am I stressing it? If you don't have time to come see me, then I will come see you. After all, if Mohammed doesn't go to the mountain goes to Mohammed, isn't it? So I'm here to stay with my baby. Watch you do your work. If there's any way I can assist you, you don't have a problem.
Oh no, baby, I'm perfectly fine. Let me just quickly round up with this and then we'll go home.
Quickly? You don't have to be quick about anything, baby. I am not in a haste. It is you and I today. In this office, we will do this job together. Baby, do your work and I am here for you. If there's anything you need, I don't know if you're going to sign here, I will be signing for you. I am here, okay? You don't have a problem. Have you eaten?
Yes, I've eaten.
You've eaten?
Yes.
I hope you drank water when you ate.
Of course, yes, I took water.
Okay. Go ahead, do the job.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love can more in I am.
You should have just entered Dikeh when I told you. We are going to the house, let's throw money away. What is it?
Imagine fall in love.
Is that why you're going all like that? That was not nice, please.
Rain don't beat wings! Rain don't beat
We
wings!
are very close to our house.
I love you, my baby.
Let's go. It's raining. I know
Let's wait. All right, I'm leaving my father's house. Come on, it's raining. Let me drop you off.
No problem. Anunata. Get married, no. Oh no, come pretend you the kind of jiggy jaja. And I make any issue on this soon. I can feel one.
Hey, God, I'm so tired. I have no idea how tired I am. Oh. Hey! Who was that guy we just met? Oh. Don't mind that one. He came to our shop to push his car. And ever since then, I have not rested for him. He's been pestering my life up and down. So what's wrong with it? Are you seriously asking me? Of course. Knowing full well that I have a man in my life, why would you ask me such a question? Which man? Mark. See, you need to be giving people chance in your life. Mark is not yet married to you. Forget all these things you're doing. Just give him a chance.
I never told you he's not going to get married to me. He already said it to me.
Okay, I pray it happens. But till then, stop putting your eggs in one basket. If you give this guy a chance, come on now. You don't have to put all your faith in one person.
Enough now. What's wrong with you? I said I'm not interested.
I know what I'm telling you.
You don't know what you're telling me.
Oh, really?
It is quite obvious that you have absolutely nothing to tell me. And if you so much love this guy, go meet him.
I wish. I wish he's interested in me. I will just pack my bags and run. I don't even know why they don't want me. I don't even know why they don't want me. Because if they want me, you have the mark. You say only you.
Alamma.
Please, I promise you it will never happen again.
Come sit down. Come and sit. I want to talk to you. Who was that man I saw you with?
Mama, his name is Dozier. Mama, I told him.
Do you think he loves you?
I don't understand.
Okay, I think you will understand yourself better.
Yes, Mama.
Do you love him?
I don't know.
What don't you know? Better know. Better know. No, because I want you to get married as soon as possible. Get Nkechi.
Mama, did you just say marriage?
Of course.
Oh, Mama, are you dying?
What kind of nonsense question is that?
Because I don't understand why you are asking me to get married at this age. Mama.
The one they are pialag in a bush. Pimpology in an apige. What they're pressing is a big girl. But when you come home, you become a small girl because you're talking about marriage. You just shut your stupid mouth. That's how you former your sister kept deceiving herself. She didn't know when she got to 25 years. Now she's heading 30 years, no marriage. You know her husband.
God forbid. It's not my portion. I will definitely get married before the age of 25 years, Mama. I am sure of that.
Really?
Sure.
And you think 25 years is the marriage age? I got married at 18.
Mama.
So how old are you now?
Mama, that was then now. Mama, see, I have not even enjoyed my youthful age. Mama Biko. I am not ready to get married now. I am not ready to settle down with any man. Mama Biko.
You're not ready to settle with any man? The one not picking anymore here, the one that pressing you. Now he's the one you want to settle with. He's the one that you're comfortable with. When you should have allowed him to come here, carry you wholesale. And you can do it openly. Hang on him. People will see you. When they say marriage, they say go and multiply. And you do it.
Mama, please. Please. I am not in the mood for this. Let me get something else.
Alamma. The one that doing free of charge is the one you want. Free of charge. Marry. You want free. Enjoy your life. You don't want it. Okay, no problem.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in Naija. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love.
Isn't she so beautiful?
Yeah, she is. Very, very, very beautiful. As a matter matter of fact, I think that's an understatement. She's an ethical motivated. And the fact that she works in such an environment depicts that she's quite a reserved girl. And of course, that really correlates with humility. And I think that's a jackpot. Trust me.
Well, Philip, now you see why I'm stuck here.
Yeah, I see. However, I'm really having some reservations because of your personality, Greg. I'm sorry, no offense, but I just really wish this would not be one of your extension of your sex escapades with ladies, because this is a jackpot. Trust me. As a married man, it took me a while to find the right woman. And when I see one, I can tell. This girl here is a wife material. I'm just hoping this will not be like every other thing about you. Please. You're like a brother to me. I would advise you. And this.
Ma, you come with. Yes.
I've always wanted to ask you this question. Are you married?
No, ma, I'm not.
Are you in a relationship?
Yes, I am. In one.
How serious?
Very serious, ma. Very, very serious. And why do you ask, ma?
Nothing much. Just that I've known you for a while now. And I must say, you are more than fit to get married to a lucky man. A man that will take care of you, cherish you, then bring out the beauty in you. But there is this nephew of mine that I've always been praying to God that he should settle down. He actually told me he wants to. But I'm not seeing any seriousness in him. So I just feel I should get a wife for him myself.
That's very thoughtful of you, ma, but I'm the wrong person here. I'm in a serious relationship, and yes, the person is very ready to get married to me. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay. You can go back to work.
Thank you, ma.
Just you will be lucky enough to have this girl as his wife. She's so beautiful and hardworking.
You may not understand what you have until you lose it. You may not understand what you have until you lose it. Life treats you just how you
Babe.
treat yourself.
Where are you going? I thought you were supposed to spend more time with me.
Yes, of course. You're awake.
I'm still sleeping. Listen, baby, I am not satisfied yet.
I see. I'm here for you, okay? Let me quickly get us something to drink.
Please do not be long.
I won't, okay?
You may not understand what you have until you lose it. Life treats you just how you treat yourself. Just be careful. Life is not what...
Mark, how could you do this again?
Hey babe, what's going on?
Do not baby me. You know exactly what you have done. You left me again?
Please relax.
Do not tell me to relax. This is not the first time, nor the second time you're doing this.
That's because you fell asleep, baby.
You are a liar.
Are you seriously calling me a liar? Me? Okay, do you recall me going to get us something to drink?
Yes, I recall. You went to get us stuff and we drank and then we made out. And I don't even know what happened again.
That's because you fell asleep while we were making love.
I did?
And as usual, I left you to come here because I have things to do. I even tried to wake you up several times, but to no avail.
That's not true. Not again. Not again. Why am I? Maybe I didn't know I fell asleep.
Baby, I have been expecting you to come up with an answer for that, but you choose to attack me.
Babe, I'm so sorry, honey. I don't know. Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? I didn't know. I'm really sorry. I didn't know I fell asleep again. I don't know what is wrong with me. But I promise it will never happen again, okay? Please, baby.
Well, I hope you have better ways of making it up to me.
Of course you know. That's why I'm here.
Yeah. I have to finish this.
No, baby, now give me some attention. I'm here with you.
Just sit down. Let me just finish.
Baby, I'm here now.
Yes.
So check.
Wow, what is this for?
A way to say thank you.
Oh, come on. 500k just to say thank you? Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. Thank you. Hey God. Oh my God. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So you see, I just want you to try as much as you can to win her over. There's a lot where that came from.
Thank you so much. Just don't worry. I'll do my best. Thank you. 500k. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
Thank you.
I'm on this radio station. Let me see. Let me see. You know they sing. You know they sing. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Gentle, so you look very excited. Just come.
Yes, sir. Okay. You can want music way.
I said come.
Okay.
I said you look very excited.
Yes.
What is it?
Yes. Okay. Nah, Timaya, I run town. They get one music where they sing you with Pino. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you, Bugao. You need to listen to that song.
So that's all.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, okay. You get people where find you come here. 2 girls, 5 girls. Hey, okay, this girl's fine. Now your spec. If you see them, yeah, you go love them sharp. They did here. They say that they call your number, say your number is not available, say your number, you know they connect. I come to the same.
So where are they?
Trust me now. I gave them a visit card. Sharply.
See why I talk about you? Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Keep it up.
But they say they go come back. But I should say the time when they go come back, they go carry another fine girls. Eh? They go carry their sister, maybe.
Now pay attention, Gentle, so.
Okay, sir.
No account. No condition should you allow anyone into this premises unless I say so. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. I said, on no account.
On no account.
I said,
not
I mean me. You said,
not I mean me. You said,
on no account.
On no account.
On no condition.
On no condition.
Should you allow anyone step into this premises without my permission?
Anyone step into this premises without my permission?
Without my permission?
Without my permission?
Without Oga's permission?
Without Oga's permission?
Still like your work?
Yes.
Like your house?
Yes.
I'm sure you like your salary.
With the small changes
that comes every day.
Yes.
You want to retain this job?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do we understand each other?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this.
Oh, Mama! Mama, what is this now? Hey, Mama! Mama, leave me alone now. Leave me.
I will not leave you alone.
He's getting married by force.
Yes! It is by force. Is that why you had the guts to walk away from a man that came to ask for your hand in marriage? How many men have come here to ask for your hand in marriage? This chinkily one that came, you walked away. Who does that? Are you mad?
Me, Mama. Me. And that is because I am not ready to settle down with any man. Mama Biko.
You want to settle down with a woman? You're not ready to settle down with a man. Okay, a woman can't get nothing. You be idiot. You must get married. Whether you like it or not, you must get married. Because marriage has benefits. A lot of it. Benefits. Yes, you have children that will take care of you. You have sense because you're intelligent. Even with a small brain, your brain is just as sharp as this. And it will make you responsible. Yes.
Oh, I've heard you. I don't want to be responsible. Yes, I will be responsible at my own time. Biko, Mama, let me be now. What is all this?
Alama will deal with you. How dare you disrespect me? Disobey me? Nedema. If I start dealing with you.
Mama, please. Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. I will kill myself for you. Yes, I will kill myself for you in this house if you don't leave me alone. Leave me now. How do you want me to say it? I am not ready to settle down now. Mama, if Mama, my elder sister, is not married yet and you are not even disturbing her. Oh, Dikeh, Mama Biko. I don't know how to say it. Mama, please leave me alone now. Leave me.
You're walking away. Alama, tell whoever that listens to you that you must get married. Whether you like it or not. You and the informer will not disgrace me in this house. When a man disgrace because I did not disgrace my own parents. Stupid. Look at your small brain. I don't want to get married. Married by force. So that you grow old in this house. You will not become mates. My husband is marrying you. Idiot.
Assam. Again. Each time I see you like this, my heart will just full of joy. Hey!
Oh, Bimi, you know I love you so much.
I know I love you too. I love you so much. How?
Because I'm not happy.
You're not happy?
I am not happy.
Why?
It's my mother. She wants me to get married.
Hey! Are you serious?
Yes, I am very serious. Are you ready to marry me?
Yeah. No.
What do you mean by no?
Oh, see, let me tell you. Forget the fact that I'm poor now. Even if I make money today, I am not ready for marriage.
How
have a lot of things to do now. I have family to look. I have land to buy. I have so many things, investments to make. Now what for you?
Exactly.
Before marriage will come.
This is exactly what I told her.
Listen.
I don't know why my mother keeps disturbing me. Get married. This one, that one. Do you know that I got back from the swim this morning? I met one man in our house saying that he wants to marry me.
Ha!
I'm telling you.
Chimo, you should calm down. Oh. Your mom needs to calm down.
I don't know why my mother is doing all these things. I still want to enjoy my youthful age. Yes.
Tomato. Hey. See, let me tell you. Your mother needs to calm down.
Yes.
What will you be doing in marriage at this age?
I don't know.
You have to be free. You have to live your life.
I don't know.
Enjoy your heart, your life. If it is bush, we'll be going every time. Okay, enjoy it. Enjoy before you enter marriage. See, if you enter married by this time, your husband will just lock you in that house.
I will not be doing that thing in the bush again.
Oh, see, Afana, let's go inside.
Are you not tired?
Is it? Tired? Ha! When I have something like this. It's only a stupid man that will be tired of something like this.
Okay, I've missed you so much.
Love Kemo Inaya. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. I love you, my baby.
What are you saying? You are let off 500,000. Guess who sent it to me? Who? Greg. Who's Greg? Your Greg. Who's my Greg? Please, say something else. Why would he give you such an amount of money? He said he just wants to appreciate me. And he sent me 500k. Just for appreciation. Just like that? Just like that. I appreciate you for what? What have you done for him? Wait, oh. Let it not be what I am thinking. And what my dad did. I hope he hasn't slept with you. Are you okay? Come on now. He said he wants to appreciate me for talking to you. Only 500k. If you imagine what this guy will do, he will upgrade our lives. Take us out of that cubicle that we are living in and upgrade us to a mansion. Just say yes. Are you kidding me now? I'm not kidding. No, you're obviously kidding me because you know that if it's about material things, my mark is equal to the task. How much does Mark give you? Is it this hair of 200k? It is not about hair. Whatever I want today. These jobs I do is because I love to work. Do you understand? He does virtually everything for me. I know. So you want me to leave a man that I've been dating for how many years? A man who you clearly know that I love. There are levels to money. This guy is richer. How many times does Mark make out time for you? Were you not with him? Why didn't you make it clear to him that you like him? If this guy wants me, I will throw myself. I will gladly pack my things and follow him. Okay. Just give him me that he wants, I don't want. And if this is the reason you came here, my dear, I can't walk out of the house. I'm gonna be here. Wait. I'm just begging you to give this guy a chance. I said let him talk to you. If this is the reason you left wherever you came from, I don't know. Go back there. If he 500k. If he calm down. What's that? Do you know the so-called Greg guy? I don't even know how he got my number. Why are you being so hostile? No, this explains why he's been giving you money. You gave him my number, right? Why don't you just want to give this guy a chance? Why is your head just... Adane, stop already. Stop. It's my life. It's my relationship. It has everything to do with me. And I want the best for you. You don't need to tell me what is going to be the best for me. Stop it. Really? I'm your friend. I know what is good for you. I've told you. I know what. Don't be sharing my number like that. I beg, go. Don't put your eggs in one basket. You think it's everybody that have opportunity to meet men that are growing.